Making a bootable USB or DVD for your desired Linux OS can be a daunting task. You have to download the right ISO, choose the right writing tool, select the correct bootable USB or DVD option, wait for it to write, and make sure nothing important gets erased by mistake. If you would rather skip all of that hassle, there is a much easier option. Go to the description of this video and use the link provided to buy a custom-built, ready-to-use bootable USB or DVD for your desired Linux OS. All the trouble of creating the bootable USB or DVD has already been taken care of for you. That means you can start from the part that actually matters: booting your computer and installing your desired Linux OS on your beloved machine. Each bootable USB or DVD is prepared carefully, checked before dispatch, and shipped in tamper-proof packaging for peace of mind. We also ship fast, and every order includes full online tracking information, so you can follow your package from dispatch to delivery. Take a look at our amazing customer feedback and buy with full confidence. Your bootable USB or DVD is ready. Your installation journey can begin without the stress. Order today at the link provided in the description. Thank you. Today, I'll show you how to make a bootable Linux Mint USB drive on Windows. You can use it to try Linux Mint, install it on another computer, or keep it around as a handy recovery drive. Before we touch anything, quick warning. This process erases the USB drive. So if there's anything important on that flash drive, move it somewhere safe first. You only need 3 things: a USB drive, the Linux Mint ISO file, and a free tool called Rufus. Start by opening your browser and going to linuxmint.com. Click Download, then choose the latest Linux Mint version. For most modern computers, choose Cinnamon. It's the main Linux Mint desktop, and if you're coming from Windows, it should feel pretty familiar. If the computer is older or slower, choose XFCE instead. It's lighter, faster on older hardware, and still very reliable. Once you've picked the edition, scroll down to the download mirrors. Choose one close to your location, and let the ISO file download. When that's done, open the Microsoft Store, or your browser, and search for Rufus. Rufus is the little app that takes the ISO file and writes it to your USB drive so the computer can boot from it. Now plug in your USB drive and open Rufus. At the top, check the selected device. Seriously, take a second here. Make sure it's the USB drive you want to erase, because Rufus will wipe it. Under Boot Selection, choose Disk or ISO Image. Then click Select, open your Downloads folder, and choose the Linux Mint ISO file. Once Rufus shows the Linux Mint file, click Start. If it asks about ISO image mode, use the recommended option. And if Rufus says it needs a few extra files, click Yes. You'll get one last warning that everything on the USB drive will be destroyed. If the drive is empty, or you've backed it up, click OK. Now just let Rufus work. It may take a few minutes. When the progress reaches 100% and the status says ready, your bootable USB is finished. Close Rufus, then safely eject the USB drive from Windows using the USB icon in the system tray. And that's it. You now have a bootable Linux Mint USB drive. You can use it to boot into Linux Mint, test the live desktop, or start the installation. One last reminder. If you're installing Linux Mint onto a computer, back up that computer first, especially before choosing any option that erases a disk.